Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Before we start, I'd like to remind you that if you want to join me on my daily live streams, I do stream twice a day. It's on my other channel, the Good Free Photos channel. The link is in the description and in the comments. And also my Crypto Daily Updates. That is basically one video each day, about 5 to 10 minutes, that encapsulates all the great crypto news for that day. If you want to see that, that's also in my Crypto Daily Updates channel as well. So let's actually get back on to the topic, which is, will BCH and BSV actually go up after the Bitcoin halving? Now, they've actually gone down after their own halving. Roger Ver was actually right. He didn't think that the BCH halving would do much for price. It did pretty much nothing for price. So he was actually right about that. Obviously, this is BCH's first halving, so there was no experience with this before. So therefore, Bitcoin's halving, I'm almost guessing that there's actually not going to be much of a price rise. But the thing is, like, BCH and BSV are now not profitable to mine, and BTC I still think is profitable to mine at this price. But that will change actually after the halving. So someone actually proposed a theory, and I actually think it's somewhat legit that BCH and BSV might actually see an upsurge a little bit after the Bitcoin halving if everything doesn't dump. Because after the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin will no longer be profitable to mine. And one of two things can happen. The miners could actually push up the price and that would drag the entire market along with it. Therefore, BCH and BSV would actually benefit from that as well, like the rest of the market. The other theory is that now, since Bitcoin's also unprofitable to mine, some of those miners will go back to BCH and BSV, up the hash rate, and then push the price up then. Now, I know it might seem a little bit far-fetched to you that a BTC halving would, after the BTC halving, even if BTC doesn't increase in price, that some of the miners would go back to BCH and BSV. But remember, those coins actually do have a pretty dedicated community. And the thing is, like, if they actually suddenly go all back to BCH and BSV, that might at least result in a temporary price rise for them. And it might be permanent if, like, you know, the big players or the big miners want to actually keep it at that price to be profitable. Now, I think the more likely theory is that Bitcoin price eventually goes up and pulls the rest of the market with it. But remember, there's about a month delay between these halvings and the Bitcoin halving, and I'm not really sure if they can actually survive that long, especially BSV, because it's more unprofitable right now than Bitcoin Cash. But neither of them are profitable. And like I reported yesterday, Roger Ver basically stopped mining Bitcoin Cash yesterday. I'm not really sure if he started mining Bitcoin or not, but after the Bitcoin halving, you might see some of the hash rate actually flow back because now it's just as unprofitable. And that actually might be a boost to Bitcoin SV and Bitcoin Cash. Or, like, if Bitcoin goes up in price and then it drags the rest of the market up, because BCH and BSV generally follow Bitcoin, but to a greater degree, they might actually become a little bit more profitable than Bitcoin, and then people will actually switch to their mining. So there's several, like, actually reasonable theories how BCH and BSV might actually go up after BTC's halving as a direct result of BTC's halving, either because miners are flowing back to them because BTC is equally as unprofitable, or that, you know, BTC is just dragging everything up, and then, like, they come up as a higher percentage than Bitcoin, and because of that, miners will actually go there because they're more profitable. So these are theories. I'm not saying they're likely or that they will happen, but they're not implausible theories, and they could possibly happen. So watch out for that, and that's the episode for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.